In this tutorial, let's learn how to pivot a dataset. That means from row to column or to column to rows. Let's create a data frame. We start with long here. Long is the shape, the format of the data. Well, PD Pandas, data frame, and the name of the first column will be year, 2010, 2011, 2012. And the other column will be day, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And we added the third column value with NumPy arrange 9. We have 9 values from 0 to 8. Now let's see the results. This is the table. Let's pivot the data from long to wide. We call wide the name. Equal long. Long is the name of the previous table. And the command pivot will pivot the table, rotate the table. Choose the two variables, year and day. Now let's see the results. See now that the table is compact. We don't lose any information. We just show in a more compact way. Now let's see how to do the opposite process. That means stack from column to row. The code is, let's give the name col to row, and the command is wide.stack. This stack will transform the columns to rows. Let's see the results. Here is the table. Let's do the process again. Let's unstack from row to column. And here's the code. Just now add this unstack. Let's see the results. See?